I don't know what happened to my seat. It was 34C and now it's 3L. Guys, I didn't even upgrade my seat. I don't know why it's 3L. You can. Oh. Thank you. हम लोग बैठ चुके हैं. I'm sitting in the business class. I didn't even pay for it. Guys, हम लोग एडिस अबाबा पहुंच चुके हैं. Now I only have 2 hours till my next flight starts boarding to Singapore. I'll quickly rush to the gate because, like I said, एडिस अबाबा में बहुत ही मतलब time लग रहा है for the cervical screening for the bag luggage. Oh God. I need to go to the clinic now. By the way, guys, my flight got upgraded to business class. I don't know how. I was just boarding and they changed my seat number. I didn't pay for it or anything. Let's transit to Singapore now and I'll see you. पहुंच गए guys. Fish market में बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ. Flight check कर लेते हैं. Airport इतना बड़ा नहीं है तो ठीक है. The gates are very close. Like I said, I have like 2 hours till my flight. I'm just having some coffee. यहाँ पे ना, there's this place over here at Addis Ababa Airport. They have really good coffee, like you know the traditional Ethiopian coffee. It's really nice. It's called One Coup coffee. Guys, हम लोग सिंगापुर पहुंच चुके हैं. I'm starting to get tired now, but it's okay actually because of the time zones. I don't feel so sleepy right now. I hope I'm not like jet lagged when I go back. I have to start working and everything. But anyways, I have like 4 hours in Singapore now, so time to freshen up, change my clothes, shower hopefully. I'm looking for any lounge rooms or whatever. I haven't booked in any, so I'll go and see a bit. Time है थोड़ा सा. मुझे भूख भी लगी. I didn't eat anything in the airlines right now. Sometimes I don't feel like eating inside there. There's one South Indian restaurant in Singapore airport called Kaveri. It's pure vegetarian. Look, that's Kaveri. Right now I'm just looking for a lounge quickly to freshen up and change my clothes and brush and everything. I just need to get clean. Last time when I came with Hirak and Shivni, हम लोग जो lounge room में गए थे ना, that's in other terminal. That's I think in terminal 2. और यहाँ पे ना terminals बहुत दूर दूर होते हैं. Guys, ये मरहबा lounge वाले अच्छे यार. मैंने बोला I just want to shower and all that, so they're like you just pay, you know, for because usually lounge rooms में ना 3 hours का होता है. And I don't want to stay in the lounge room for 3 hours. So they gave me another option of going in the transit swimming pool. They have all the showers and all those things. So you can go there if you don't want to go in the lounge. If you want like to spend like 3 hours, they have buffet and everything, then you can go there. So by the way, this is in Terminal 1, huh? There is a swimming pool and all those things. Let's see. It's such a big airport. एक तो कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे तो मैं अकेली हूँ. What the hell? Keep going ahead. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just like following directions and going. Guys, ये pool यहाँ पे है. Oh. Okay. The water is not that cold. Guys, I've got my towel. Look at this beautiful swimming pool. यार, it's raining यार. मैंने swimming किया होता. Guys, I've had a shower. It feels so good and fresh. And by the way, these are how the showers look like. They're very nice. They also have shower gels and everything inside. But मैं अपना खुद का लेके आती हूँ face wash and all. वो छोटे छोटे से होते हैं ना. Guys, If you have noticed, मैंने ये अभी long sleeve के कपड़े पहन लिए थोड़े से warm because Sydney में it's cold now. Australia में right now is when the winter start. So when I go to Sydney and that area, it's gonna start getting really cold. So I've changed my clothes in warmer clothes. And yeah, even Singapore airport में पूरे airport में air conditions होता है. So oh, I'm so hungry. चलो अभी निकलते हैं. Swimming मैं next time करूँगी. वैसे भी it's raining. और guys अभी भी मेरे पास time है. So I want to also go and see the jewel. I want to have something to eat from Kaveri. I have like 4-5 hours, but I just want to like go around because Singapore airport बहुत ही अच्छा है अगर आप लोग सब कुछ देखो ना. So it's worth like taking your time and going. And if you want to like shower and like be fresh and all that, please try to like it's cheaper. See, I came here. Over here it was like $18 or something in the lounge room, whereas it was like $55. Guys, look how beautiful the airport is. इन लोगों ने ना थोड़ा सा रिनोवेट भी किया है सब कुछ. Terminal 1 में ये restaurant है, which is open. Last time we went to Terminal 2, they had like a small, you know, like a canteen type of a thing. It wasn't like a restaurant. Finally, for those of you who know me, you know how much I love idli and sambar so much. अभी तो मुझे इतने डोसा भी खाना है because he's making fresh dosa over there. There's also other varieties of food around here, but if you want like pure vegetarian food, क्योंकि दूसरे में भी vegetarian है, but it's mixed with the non-veg. So if you want pure vegetarian and if you like South Indian food, then you can come to Kaveri. Guys, shower हो गया, खाना हो गया, अभी हम लोग नीचे जाते हैं. सिंगापुर एयरपोर्ट में थोड़ा सा घूमते हैं. Maybe I'll take a train to go to the jewel. I don't want to go inside. Look guys, ऐसे अगर आप लोग को jewel के अंदर जाना है ना, like if you want to enter Singapore, you have to go through the terminal, like you have to go through the immigration like that. Like I don't want to go inside. I only have like 2 hours till my boarding starts, and for you to go in the jewel itself, it's like outside the airport. मतलब अंदर ही है, but you have to like do immigration and all those things. I might as well just take a train जो अंदर से ऐसे पास होती है, so that's enough I think. Guys, jewel इसके अंदर है. Guys, मैं Terminal 1 में से Terminal 3 में गई. I changed my train to Terminal 2. I saw the jewel. Now I'm going back to Terminal 1. That's where my flight is departing from. यहाँ पे terminals बहुत है, so be sure कि आपको पता है कि आपकी flight कौन से terminal में से depart हो रही है. Of course, it's written in your boarding pass, but still, and then even the walking distances are so much, so always like keep time frames like that. अभी मैं jewel के अंदर नहीं गई हूँ. I'll just now go to my gate. It's just 1 hour left for my boarding. And yeah, the time went so fast. आ गई हूँ वापस मैं Terminal 1. Now I'll walk to my gate. My gate is D46. Guys, look, मेरा gate D46 है. दूर दूर तक नहीं दिख रहा. It's like all the way behind there. So I have to walk all that distance. और मैं तो कहीं से, and I've already walked like so much. So yeah, walking is a lot. So yeah, like I said, that's really up to you if you want to walk, because the flights are so long, like 7-8 hours की flights होती है. So I prefer more to walk around the airport and then, you know, sit for the flight rather than just look. It's up to you. You can either like roam around the airport and look at the beautiful airport and do things, or you can just go to your gate and sit down for like hours and hours and wait for your flight. And airports like Singapore, they're really worth looking around. So yeah, it's really your choice. कुछ नहीं, अभी हम लोग जाएंगे gate में. Flight का time हो जाएगा, board होगी अभी flight. And yeah, back to Sydney, back to कहते हैं ना लोग, oh, reality, routine, whatever. Anyway, it's fun. I'm really looking forward to go back. It was a nice holiday, and I hope all of you have also been enjoying. Yeah. Guys, यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है. मैं बैठ चुकी हूँ यहाँ पे. अपना फ़ोन भी चार्ज कर लेती हूँ. There is charging ports here. I also need to fill in water. If you don't want to keep on buying water bottles from the airport, bring your own bottle. और यहाँ पे आप लोग fill कर सकते हो. देखो गाइस, ऐसे टैप्स में से आप लोग पानी भर सकते हो. यू कैन ऑल्सो ड्रिंक डायरेक्टली, एंड देयर इज़ अ टैप ओवर हियर. दिस ऑल ड्रिंकिंग वाटर. मैं यहाँ से भर रही हूँ बिकॉज इसमें गर्म पानी है, एंड आई वांट हॉट वाटर इन माय बॉटल. बाय द वे, मेरी आदत हो चुकी है वार्म वाटर पीने की, सो दिस थर्मस ऑलवेज हैज़ लाइक वार्म वाटर इनसाइड. गाइस, पता है अभी मेरे पास टाइम है. आई हैव लाइक 1 hour. मैं सोच रही हूँ कहीं पे घूम के आती हूँ. अभी एयरपोर्ट तो बहुत बड़ा है, ख़त्म तो होगा नहीं. At first I thought I'll start editing my Mindsoup on my brother's Sangeet video, because मैंने वो vlog अभी edit नहीं किया है. शिवनी and Hirak's Sangeet night का video, and even wedding of course, and उसके बाद भी जो भी मैं record कर रही हूँ. because मेरी uni का trimester तो ख़त्म हो रहा है मई में, and that's why now it's on. That's why I kept on doing my assignments and submissions while I was in Kenya. But anyway, that all is done well, thank God. Like even if there were so many people, I tried to take out time, and eventually अगर आपको कुछ करना ही है तो आप लोग कर लेते हो. So but Australia में क्या होता है ना, जब when you're on holidays and uni vacations, that's when you work the most. You do extra hours, you work as much as you can because clinic will be open. Clinic में holiday नहीं होता, the doctors come all the time. So yeah. Yeah, let's see. I don't know how it will work. Time to board the plane, guys. There is one taking off from the back already. We've reached Sydney. Guys, I've finally landed Sydney. मैं आपको बता दूँ कि हमारा flight ना और flight departed like 3 hours late from Singapore. I've already landed like so late. I'm so sleep deprived for like 3 days straight because मुझे ना ये plane में नींद नहीं आती. I can't sleep. अभी देखते हैं. अभी तो कुछ नहीं. I'll still declare all my luggage and everything. I'll take a train to Central Coast. That will take maybe 2-ish hours and then we'll finally reach home. But yeah, it's fine. I'm getting there. Waiting for my baggage. My luggage was checked in from Mombasa Monday afternoon. Today is Wednesday morning. It went through Addis Ababa, it went through Singapore. पता नहीं कहाँ कहाँ घूम के आई है और अभी देखते हैं. Guys, so this line is nothing to declare. और वो जो वहाँ पे है ना कुने में, that's all the declarations. Luckily he just asked me and you have to tell them if you have declared anything, you know, like I have some wooden items and some nuts in my bag. तो वही बोल दिया. तो यहाँ पे खड़े रह के लाइन में हो गया. So I'll just leave the airport now directly. I don't have to go through any declaration or customs. Sometimes it's very simple. Just tell them if they ask no confidently कि आपके पास क्या क्या है. So it shouldn't be a problem. और हो गया. अभी हम लोग निकलेंगे. ट्रेन पकड़ूंगी मैं. I had told that guy already whatever I had. तो मैं वे पीछे नहीं जा रही हूँ. वहाँ जहाँ पे बैग्स वैग्स खुलाते हैं साइड में लाके पूछते हैं कि क्या क्या है आपके पास. All those things they ask. They think I just got lucky. So I was standing in the line of not to declare anything. And I just told him that I have this. तो उसने stamp मार दिया पहले से. So I didn't have to go through the other part. Guys देखो यहाँ पे सब कुछ declaration होता है. अभी हम लोग exit कर लेंगे. Hard trains after a long time, guys. Let's go. Guys, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है because बिल्कुल भी गर्मी नहीं है. It's so nice and cool and ठंडी ठंडी हवा. I love it. My suitcases are ready. My trains are ready behind. This train should take like 1.5 hours. मेरी bags भी move नहीं हो रहे हैं. And I'll reach. I'll see you all when I go home. By the way, my Jiju and my sister had reached a week earlier. They already gave me updates on my garden. The tomatoes are growing good. But the cucumber, guys, मेरी जो कांकड़ी थी ना, because वो winter में वैसे भी grow नहीं होती है. So that one didn't survive. Anyways, we'll go and see. Guys, ये जो नई trains है ना, उसमें ऐसे suitcases रखने का है नीचे. लगेज बार ट्रेन गई. अभी टाइम है उबर का आने का टू टेक मी होम. Thank you so much. Thank you. Guys, घर तक मेरा सामान छोड़ने आया है मेरा उबर ड्राइवर. Thanks. Finally home. यार मुझे तो ऐसा लग रहा है कि अभी अभी मैं यहाँ से निकली थी to go to Mombasa. Remember, I was getting emotional here that I didn't want to leave. Now I'm back home. I can't believe how fast the Bindi. Now I'm home. I can't believe how fast. Oh my god, how did that time go? Chalo guys, Monday afternoon I left Mombasa. Today is Wednesday afternoon. I'm reaching now, but at least I've reached nice and safely. By the way, you know मेरा plane में बोल रही थी ना Singapore से 3 कलाक 3 hours it was late from Singapore. That's because some engine fuels were leaking in our plane. So हम लोग ना boards, everyone had boarded the flight. So we were all sitting in the flight for 3 hours. And then, but I mean, of course, the safety is more important. No? So then the engineers and everyone were called. they saw resolved the leakage and all those things in the engines, and then we flew. दीदी और जीजू अभी काम पे, ऐसा ही होता है यहाँ पे. Tomorrow I have to go to uni, and then I have to go to clinic, and then I have to go for my NDIS jobs. So everything back again. Guys, मैं अपना गार्डन देखने के लिए जा रही हूँ. पीछे मेरे बैग्स भी मेरे हाथ में. बाहर अपना गार्डन देख के आए थे. Oh my god, I see the tomatoes. कांकरी मर गई guys. Hello garden. Cucumber, you didn't survive without me, huh? वैसे भी आई थिंक शौक लगा होगा बिकॉज विंटर स्टार्ट हो चुके. इवन इफ इट इज़ सनी ना, यहाँ पे विंटर्स फिर भी बहुत ही ठंडे होते हैं, और वैसे भी कांकड़ी विंटर में ग्रो ज़्यादा नहीं होती है. एक यहाँ पे मुझे दिख रही है. आई कांट बिलीव द मोमेंट आई वेंट एंड आई हैव कम हियर. आई विल टेक आउट दिस प्लांट एनीवेज, इट्स फाइन. You did a good job. There is another kankri here. Look, there are some surviving. Look. Oh, okay. ये पपाई कितनी बड़ी बड़ी हो चुकी है. I have to put these papaya plants on the ground. Oh my god. My mom has told me to do that the moment I come here. Oh my guys, look at these bunches and bunches of tomatoes. Tomatoes बहुत ही अच्छे उग रहे. Wow. Oh, oops, मैंने गिरा दिया. I dropped one. Look at that. Another bunch here. There's another bunch here. So many tomatoes. Thank you. मैं thank you plant को thank you बोल रही हूँ by the way. Peanuts ना मैंने first time उगाए थे. अभी ये yellow plants हो चुके हैं. I'll take it out and I'll see if I've got any. ये ना ऐसे एक्सपेरिमेंट करने के लिए मैंने रखा था, जस्ट उसी की कैसा उग रहा है. 2-3 मूरा ऐसे पड़े हैं यहाँ पे जो मैंने निकाले नहीं थे. चलो कोई नहीं, ऐसा है हमारा गार्डन. अभी ना मुझे और उगाना है. विंटर्स के सब्जी अभी उगानी है, बट आई सी हाउ. लुक एट मी, आई हैवंट इवन रिमूव माय बैग्स ओवर हियर, एंड आई हैवंट इवन रिमूव माय बैग्स ओवर हियर, एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक, गाइस लुक, टमाटो. Yummy. Guys, Bindi told me she already harvested some tomatoes from the garden. Look, all these are from the garden. गाइस ये देखो क्या सुखाया है मैंने. हमारी आमला कैंडीज जो मम्मी बना रहे थे ना, these were ready, but mom said still when you go to Australia put it more in the sun because वहाँ पे ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मिला था. एंड मोमेंट में ही बनाई थी, बट अभी अच्छी है, but I want it more dry, so yeah, I've just put it here so it can also last longer, but they taste so good. Oh my god. Hello. Hi everyone. ये मेरा प्लांट थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही लंबा होता जा रहा है. Look at that. Oh my god. Hello to all the bhagwans in my room.